Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how to create a blog or website. So for this tutorial, we will be using Google Sites. This is user-friendly and really nice for beginners. So first, go to your browser and type sites.google.com on the top. Make sure to log into your Gmail on the browser you're using so you don't have to re-sign in here. Once you're here, you can now create a site using templates over here, or create form from scratch. In our case, let's use one of these templates. I'm going to use this project over here. On this page, you can now edit this and create your dream website, and make sure to make it simple and presentable to make it look professional. You can use the tools on your right. Once you think that you're good to go, just click on Publish on the top. This prompt will show up after publishing. You can input here the name of your domain, and then after that, click on Publish and you're done. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.